Hello students, today we are going to start the new method to find an approximate solution of the given differential equation. In previous lecture we have obtained a solution by using Euler method, but if you observe the difference between the exact solution and approximate solution, the error is very large. Now to reduce this error or to minimize this error, we want to modify this Euler method. Okay, so our next method is what? Modify Euler method. Modified Euler method. Now, all of we know that the Euler formula. What is the Euler formula? Y1 is equal to y0 plus h integration x0 to x1 f of xy dx. If you see the previous video, you can observe that we have obtained the Euler formula by using this equation. In the next iteration, we put the f of xy equal to f of x0 y0 and h is equal to x1 minus x0. X1 minus x0 will get an Euler formula. So now to modify this formula by using modify Euler method, we are going to apply the trapezoidal rule here. All of you know that the trapezoidal rule. So what is y1 is equal to y0 plus h inside the bracket f of x0 y0 minus plus f of x1 y1. That is in trapezoidal rule we have applied h by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 times y2 plus y3 y4 and so on. But since there are only two terms, it is only y0 and yn. So here this is the formula for modified Euler method. But instead of writing this, we are changing the notation, that is y1 n plus 1 is equal to y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 n. Okay, so next iteration can be found by using this formula. So when this process will be stopped, if your previous two answers correct up to 3 or 4 decimal places, desired accuracy, if you obtain the rule, then stop your iteration. Okay, so this is the general formula to modify the Euler method. So for an example, consider f of xy is equal to, consider an example, dy by dx is equal to x plus y. Solve the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y with an initial condition y of 0 equal to 0, with an initial condition y of 0 equal to 0, having h is equal to 0.1, h is equal to 0.1, compute y of 0.2 using modified Euler method. So here the step first is same. That is, first want to apply Euler method, and by the obtained answer can be modified by using modify Euler method. So what is here given? F of xy is equal to x plus y. x0 is equal to 0, y0 equal to 0, h is equal to 0.1. So these are the given values. F of xy we know the value of x0, we know the value of y0, we know the value of h. Then what is y0 1 or y0. So what is y0 1? Instead of writing y0, we are writing here y0 1. Okay, and then y0 2, y0 3 we are going to modify by using Euler formula. Modify Euler formula. So what is y0 1? y1 0. Okay, so y1 0, then y1 1, y1 2 and so on. So y1 0 equal to y0 plus h f of x0 y0. So this is what our Euler formula. फक्त चेंज कुठे झालं बघा, नोटेशन मध्ये चेंज झालाय. y1 ना म्हणतात त्याला काय म्हणलं आपण y1 0, आणि मग y1 1, y1 2, y1 3 आपण फाइंड करणार आहे बाय युजिंग मॉडिफाइड Euler formula. So what is y1 0 is equal to y0 किती आहे 0, h किती आहे 0.1 आणि f of x0 y0 म्हणजे 0 0. So but f of xy काय आहे x plus y. So if you add this, we will get 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by 0 0.10. So what is y10? It is y10 equal to 0. I am writing here y10 is equal to what? 0. Now next we are going to find and y11 by using modified Euler formula. So it is y11 y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 0. F of x1 y1 0. So what is y11? Y11 equal to y0 is 0, 0.1 by 2 inside bracket 0 f of 0 0 plus f of x1. Now what is x1? X1. Now this is the x0. X0 is 0. So what is x1? X0 plus h. That is x1 is what? 0.1. And y10 we have just obtained this answer. We have just obtained this answer. It is what? 0. So if you simplify this, what is f of xy? So this is what? 0 plus 0. Why 0 plus 0? Because our function f of xy is what? X plus y. So this is 0 plus 0 here also. Plus 0.1 plus 0. So if you observe this total, the value of this bracket is equal to 0.1. 0.1. So y1 is equal to 0.1 divided by 2 into 0.1. So this is equal to 0.01 divided by 2. So this is equal to 0.005. So this is what? y11 is what? 0.005. y11 0.005. Now next we want to find y12. So what is y12? I am writing here y12 is equal to y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 1. Okay, so if you observe the y11 and y12, there is only change at this place. It is here y10, now here y11. So if you simplify this, y12 it is equal to y0 is 0, 0.1 by 2, f of 0 0, f of x1 is f of 0.1 and y11 is 0.005. But what is f of xy? F of xy is f of x plus y. So if you simplify this, we will get y12 is equal to 0.1 divided by 2 inside the bracket. This 0 plus 0 is again 0 and 0.1 plus 0.05 is 0.105. If we add these two terms, we will get 0.105. So if we simplify this, we will get it is equal to 0.0053. So if you simplify this, y12 is equal to 0.0053. So this is what y12. Now if you observe, the y11 is what? y11 is 0.005 and y12 is what? 0.0053. So again, these two values are not correct up to 3 or 4 decimal places. So again, we want to determine y13. So what is y13? y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 2. So to solve this, y13 is equal to 0 plus 0.1 by 2 f of x0 y0, that is 0 0 plus f of x1 is 0.1 and y12 आताच आपण फाइंड केला 0.0053. So if you simplify this, again it is equal to, this is 0 plus 0 is 0 and if you add this, it is equal to 0.1 into 2 plus 0.1053 and if you simplify this, if you multiply, if you divide and multiply this, you will get again 0.10 if we 0.0053. So if you observe the y13 and y12, they are correct up to 4 decimal places, and therefore since y12 is equal to since y12 is equal to y13 is equal to 0.0053, and therefore y1 is equal to 0.053 and x is equal to 0.1. म्हणजे आपल्याला ही जी काही व्हॅल्यू मिळाली ती आता फक्त मिळाली आपल्याला x1 ला. तसं जर आपण युलर मॉडिफाय युलर फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय नसता केला तर आपण y2 साठी y1 काय घेतला असता माहिती का 0, जो आपल्याला युलर मेथडने मिळाला आहे. युलर मेथडने आपल्याला y1 काय मिळाला होता बघा 0 फक्त. पण आता त्या 0 वर आपण पुन्हा प्रोसेस केलाय बघा. त्याला आपण प्रोसेस केलाय. कशाने प्रोसेस केलाय? मॉडिफाय युलर मेथडने. आणि मग आपल्याला y1 काय मिळालं 0.053. तसं जर आपण स्टॉप केला असतं, तसं फक्त युलर मेथड अप्लाय केला असतं तर फक्त आपल्याला y1 काय ठेवलं असतं 0. पण आता मॉडिफाय युलर मेथड अप्लाय केल्यामुळे आपल्याला y1 ची काय व्हॅल्यू मिळाली 0.053. Okay, but this is not our final answer because we want to determine y of 0.2. Here we have obtained the answer y of 0.053 at x is equal to 0.1. So again, so next step. So this is what here we have finished our first step. So what is the second step? Again we want to determine y2 by using Euler method. आता पुन्हा आपल्याला Euler method अप्लाय करायची. What is Euler method? y1 plus h f of x1 y1. Okay, and this will give you a value at x2. And what is x2? It is x1 plus h, that is 0.1 plus 0.1 0.2. So but instead of writing, since we are going to apply modified Euler method, instead of writing y2 we are seeing it is y20. So what is y20? y1 is what? 0.053 plus 0.1 f of x1 0.1 0.0053. So if you simplify this, you will get y20 is equal to 0.0053 yeah 0053 plus 0.1, and if you add these two terms it is 0.1053. So if you simplify this, you will get y20 is equal to 0.0053 plus 0.01053. So if you multiply these two terms and if you add these two terms, you will get y20 is equal to 0.0064. Okay, so this is the value of y2 at x2, but this value of y2 at x2 obtained from Euler method, not modify Euler method. हे आपलं जर आपण Euler method अप्लाय करत असू ना तर so this is our last answer. But since we are processing it, why we are processing? Because you can observe from the previous video there is very large error between exact value and approximate value. खूप मोठा error आहे. म्हणून आपल्याला काय करायचं म्हणजे त्याला प्रोसेस करायचं जेणेकरून आपल्याला it is very close to our exact solution. ओके, मग आता प्रोसेस कसं करणार? तर y20 आपण फाइंड केलाय. आपल्याला नेक्स्ट काय करायचंय? y21 y22 y23 आपल्याला फाइंड करायचंय बाय युजिंग मॉडिफाइड यूलर मेथड. सो नेक्स्ट y20 we have obtained. Next y21. What is y21? y21 is equal to y1 plus h by 2 f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y21. So तुम्ही जर ऑब्जर्व केला, ओके, सो इथे फक्त आपण काय आता व्हॅल्यू पुट करणार आहे y21 y22 y23 आणि ही प्रोसेस कुठपर्यंत चालणार आहे जोपर्यंत आपल्याला दोन सक्सेसिव्ह रूट इक्वल नाही मिळते. ओके, वन्स वी ऑब्टेन टू सक्सेसिव्ह रूट correct up to desired accuracy, then we will stop this answer, we will stop this procedure and say that this is our value of y2 at x2. So do remember this answer. What is our y2? 0.000064. I am writing here 0.0064. This answer obtained by Euler method. Now we are going to check what will be the answer by using modified Euler method. So what is y21 is equal to y1. y1 कितनी है? 0.0053 plus 0.1 divided by 2 inside the bracket f of x1 is 0.1, 0.0053 plus f of x2 0.2. x2 मतलब कितनी? 0.2. Now what is y2? 0.0064. Okay. So but what is f of xy? It is x plus y. So if we simplify this, we will get 0.0053 plus 0.1 divided by 2. If we add these two terms, 0.10053 plus if we add these two terms 0.2064. मी हे ऍडिशन का करतोय बरं? हे ऍडिशन का करतोय कारण की मला दिलेला f of xy काय आहे? x plus y. f of x plus काय xy. So f of 0.1 and 0.0053 म्हणजे काय? त्या दोघांची ऍडिशन करा. इथे पण तसंच आहे, दोघांची ऍडिशन करा. So if you simplify this, all of this, you will get y21 is equal to y21 is equal to y21 0.0209. 0.0209. So this is the answer obtained by using modified Euler method. But again, there is a very large difference between y20 and y21. So we have to determine y22 also. So what is y22? I am just writing here y22 is equal to. Here just I am changing y22. So what is changed here? Instead of writing 0.064, it is what? It is 0.029.0209. There is only one change. Just writing here y is instead of y21, write down y22. So if you write y22 and if you simplify this, all of this, you will get that is I am writing here y21 is 0.0209. So this is what? y21. Now what is y22? y22 is equal to 0.0053 plus 0.1 divided by 2, and here if we add these two terms 0.1053 plus 0.2209, and if you simplify this y22, if you add this by using calculator, your final answer y22 is equal to 0.0216. Now if you observe, there is again very large error. Again these previous two iterations, the answer obtained from the previous two iterations are not correct up to 4 decimal places. So again we have to apply y23. So this is what y21 and this is what y22. So what is y22 is 0.0216. I am writing here. So now again we want to determine y23. So what is y23? आपल्याला कुठे चेंज करायचं आहे बघा, याला y23 म्हणायचं आहे. This is what y23 आणि इथे चेंज होणार बघा. y21, y22 and y23. This is what y23. Now y2, y10, y12, y13. Now next we are going to determine y23. So this is what y22. So y23. We are going to find y23. So here y22. So what is y22? y22 is equal to 0.0216. Okay. So what is y22? 0.0216. So if you simplify this, you will get y23 is equal to 0.053 plus 0.1 divided by 2 inside bracket 0.1053 plus 0.2216, and if you simplify this, you will get answer is y23 is equal to 0.0 0, 2, 1, 6. Now if you observe the y22 and y23, they are correct up to 4 decimal places. Okay, so we stop here our process. We are writing here. We are writing that y22 and y23, they are correct up to 4 decimal places. So what is our answer? 0.0216. So what is y2 here? So what is y2? y2 is equal to 0.0216 and x is equal to x2, which is not 0.02. That is y of 0.2 is equal to 0.0216. So this is our last answer obtained by modified Euler method. Okay. Now if you observe the difference, look here. This is the answer obtained by Euler method, and this is the answer obtained by modified Euler method. You can see the difference between these two answers. Okay. So that's why we are going to apply the modified Euler method. We are modifying our answer. Okay. And for that we are going to apply and modify Euler formula. So hope you understand this. Okay. So we want to stop here for today.